Good morning. It's Mark and Seth and Mr. Watson, right? Hey, where are we going today, Watson? We're gonna go look for some food. You're gonna look at, well, he's gonna go look for dogs to bark at. But it's first day. No wife, no mom, just me and Watson. And he woke me up this morning, called me. His mom made it to San Francisco. She's on the plane now on the way to Portland. So she should be landing now, actually, and calling us soon. But we're going to go look for some food to eat. We're going to go hunting. And he's going to go bark at some people. Right, Watson? Who are you going to go bark at? Huh? Who want to go bark at? Anyone? Someone? All right. But hey, it's Mark and Sap. Let's go hunting for some Sap food. And we're just going to ride around. Me and my road dog. Oh, what? Whoa, what's that? But anyways, it's Mark and Sap there. Mark and Sap. Stay tuned. Here we go. Let's go. I'm just going to find a random spot. Give it a try. If it's good, it's good. If it ain't, we'll let you know. All right, ขอบใจละลายเด้อ Bye. Bye น้ำกันเนาะ let's go. Well, all right. We didn't have to go far. We're over here at Snook Cafe. Okay. It's in Ponce Noon area. And I got my boy with me. Come on. Come on, son. And we're gonna get some food to eat. Now you not. Now you need boy. Right here. Okay. So, Watson. You ready to eat? Let's go get. Anyways, hey, we're at Snook Cafe. We're gonna get some food here. Let's see what they got. I've been wanting to eat here for a long time. อยากมากินนี้โดนแล้วครับอันบ่ได้มาหยุดเทื่อเนาะอยู่ห้านสนุกคาเฟ่นี่พ้นสินูนใกล้ข้างๆก๊อก It's right next door to Gok supermarket in the Ponce Noon district area, and I've been wanting to come and eat here for a long time, and finally gonna stop by with my son and eat some food. All right, Watson, you say hi. You say hi. All right, so they got a menu. I'm gonna get some coffee, but they got a good sized menu. Menu good deal. Oh, it's got sandwiches, paninis. Wow, I might have to do some American breakfast. I might have to order a bunch of stuff here. Look at this. Maybe do a burger, a pizza, pizza baguette. They got pasta, steak, fish. They got Lao food, Asian single dishes. They got pho. They got kapiak, rice porridge, congee. Oh, me lie now. Okay, bye. Let's look at what we're gonna get. I'm definitely getting a crepe. Look at all that ice cream stuff. Oh my God! All right. Hey, Watson. Hey, so that thing around his mouth, it's not a muzzle. It's a gentle leader. It helps calm him down and guide him. But all right, let me order some food. All right, thank you. Yeah, you know. Oh, Watson, you give her love. Okay. อันนั้นไหนครับเซฟส่วนหลายคนมากินอาหารกันแบบ
ต้องมาถึงก็ฝึก
แม่น
ฝึกเยอะเลย
อาหารไม่จ่ายกันดีกว่า
พวกอาหารเดี๋ยวมันอยู่ผสมฝึกลองกินฝึกลอง
เปิดแซ่บอ่ะ
แซ่บ
โอ้ครับ
เปลี่ยนปากอะ
บอกอักแบบแบบนี้กินไม่กล้าบ่เฮ็ดที่ว่าคือบ่แบบนี้
โดยมีรอบนี้
โอ้ Hanyin bo Watson. All right, so I came here. I was gonna get a bunch of stuff, but she said the burger is good, their pho is good, most of the food is good. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do a burger. I'll burger is that? I'll seen
บีฟ
beef burger, and เพิ่นเฮ็ดดับเบิลได้ป่ะแบบ2ซีน
เลยแบบเอาซีนอันนี้สอง
2อันด้วย Yep. แล้วเพิ่นขายไก่บ่แบบไก่นะซื่อๆบ่ต้องใส่แบบบ่ต้องใส่อีหยังแบบขายไก่ซื่อทอดมันชื่อแบบ
มันมีอันนี้แหละชิคเก้นแบบกิน
ข่อยย่านลูกข่อยกินบ่ได้อันนั้นน่ะ
อ๋อ
ข่อยซื้อให้เรา
จะได้เป็นไก่เดี๋ยวเขาลงไปถามกันแล้ว
โอ้
ก่อนนะ
บ่เป็นหยังดอกข่อยมีกันกินให้เราอยู่ปุ๊บเนี่ย that's okay ข่อยเอาชีสเบอร์เกอร์มันมาน้ำเฟรนช์ฟรายมันบ่
เดินไป
แล้วเอากาแฟอันน่ะเอาลัดไอซ์ลาเต้ได้ป่ะแล้วก็
วางปกติ
แม่นแล้วก็อันน่ะเอาเบิ่งเด้อแล้วก็เอาอันนี้อันน่ะ French toast
เดินแอปเปิ้ลต้นพวกนี้
โอ้อันนี้มีบ่
เดิน
เครปมีมันบ่
เดิน
โอเคเอาเครปสันเครปสนุกแซ่บนะบ่
เดิน
โอเคอันนี้มันเครปอย่างนี้
เคี่ยวเคียง
โอ้บ่เอามากล้วย
เดินเคี่ยวหมกไว้
Yeah, okay, cream of clay. Top tight, okay. Come on, Watson, let's walk out here and see what's going on out. Let's go see what's going on out here. All right. Looks like it's about to rain, but I just wanted to take Watson and let him kind of smell the street. You know, he's not used to being out here as much, but I wanted to show him around a little bit. What do you think, Watson? Huh? We're in Ponce-Noon, huh? Come on. Be careful. All right. So อยู่แถวพนสินูนนี่เด้อหมดทุกคนเด้ออันนี้ห้านเพิ่นเด้อกาแฟสนุกโอเคแล้วกระดาษก๊อกๆก็อยู่ข้างๆแล้วก็มีซูแล้วคาเฟ่ Amazon แล้วก็มี Starbucks ที่ลงมันมีเบิดแถวนี้มีรถจักรเสียงดังแฮงอีกพร้อมโอเคไปเป็นไม่ได้บ่อยบ่มักเนาะเสียงดังแฮงหลายโพดเนาะไปโอเคมาพี่ so he can sit in the patio but he just can't be inside the restaurant but like I was saying you know that thing around his mouth is not a muzzle it's a gentle leader it's like you know how you train I don't know if you guys know but when they train horses that's the same exact way I train Watson with a gentle leader and it helps him you know move around and things like that right Watson you're a good boy you want another treat look at that he stopped in his tracks you want chicken treat or you want potato treat so I make his potato treat his sweet potato I dehydrate it in the air fryer and for about 15 minutes on each side so that way it's cooked make sure you don't feed your dog sweet potatoes uncooked yeah so yeah that's it พา Watson มากินข้าวเพิ่นเข้าไปไหนบ่ได้มิแต่นั่งอยู่นอกได้ but that's okay นั่งอยู่นอกก็โอเคข่อยอยากมากินห้านิดแต่โดนแล้วครับบ่ได้มีโอกาสมาได้เทื่อบ้านนี้มีแต่พ่อกับลูกเด้เนาะ so มากินมีอาหารฝรั่งมีอาหารลาวมีหมดโอเคขอบใจหลายๆเด้อไปท่ายังกินข้างนอก Watson you want a treat เบิ่งกันนะเว้า treat แล้วปิ่นหน้ามาไว้คือหยังนี่เนาะHe's like his mom. You mentioned treat or food. They're there. All right. Okay, cafe, Sanuk. เข้าไปในน้องเบิงเนาะ Let's go inside and check it out. เบิงเมนูแล้วเนาะ เข้าไปข้างในลองเบิงมาเพิ่นเป็นนี่ห้านเพิ่นเด้อนี่มีแต่งามเบิงไว้อยู่แล้ว They sell everything. All right, what's one smell? Wow. I'm like, this is the inside. It's beautiful. Let's go check out what they got on the glass pastry. Okay, look at that. They got cakes. They got all kinds of stuff. So, yeah, this is Cafe Sanuk. Okay. All right, mother. They got wine. You know, it's on cup there. So Watson's ready to eat. Aren't you, Watson? No? He doesn't want to sit down. He just wants to stay up like that because the chair's a little skinny for him. นะเพิ่นบ่อยากนั่งเพิ่นอยากยืนเพราะว่าตั้งมันก็น่าจอยโพดโอเคเบิ่งสิเอาบ่น้ำเพิ่นได้ลิสน้ำกินโอเคOoh, yeah. Look at that, Watson. Look what we got. All right, iced latte. You see that, Watson? We got the iced latte. All right. Oh, ขอบใจเด้อ กินบ่ Watson? Let's try this iced latte out. That is strong. That is strong. Good strong. Wow. I usually don't do iced latte. I just do Americano, but Ron and Arun, I saw them do it at Sang Lao, and I was like, man, that looked good the way they made it. But this, really good. Wow. You want some good coffee? Come here, Sanook. It is good. Cafe Dome is real good too. Man, I'm gonna be honest with you. Every coffee place I've been to in Laos is delicious and good. ไปคอฟฟี่อยู่เมืองลาวห้านตัวใดก็มีแต่อันคักๆมีแต่แซ่บแซ่บหมดคักหลาย Man, while we're sitting here, you know, having a coffee, waiting for food, I just wanted to talk to you guys about like the weather, right? It's rainy season. I'm still trying to find a contractor for the roof. The money's still there. I promise you. If nothing ever happens, I will give you guys all your refund back. But what I want to know is, do you know anybody here in Laos that wants a contract job for a roof? I need to get this done like ASAP for them. Please, somebody help me. I've been searching, asking, and everybody is busy. Like, I got the cash right here, and everybody's still busy. So, กันฮู้ผู้ใดอันน่ะอยากได้ contract ได้เวียกไปเฮ็ดหลังคาเรือนน่ะนะติดต่อมาหาข่อยได้เด้อเพราะข่อยต้องการน่ะนะคนไปเอาหลังคาใส่ให้เพิ่นอันน่ะข่อยยังมี you know อันน่ะเงินที่ว่าพระเจ้าส่งมาให้อันเด้ออันน่ะ so ต้องการ I need some help to find a contractor ต้องการซอยซ่อมนะ contractor โอเคเข้าใจหลาย not Watson not Watson can you go sniff out a contractor for daddy? Huh? It's a beautiful day. I don't know why you're panting. It's not even hot at all today. Mr. Hollywood Watson. Hey, somebody said he needs a Lao name. Can somebody help me out with the Lao name for Watson? Ooh, look what we got there, Watson. It's a burger. I got a double burger at that. You know what I'm saying? It looks so good. Look at Watson's like, oh. But hey, let's give it a try. Burger, if I order a burger song patty. I don't know if they made it or not, but hey, they made it for me. Don't judge, y'all. Don't judge. Gotta have that double patty, man. It's like a double quarter pounder. When you go to McDonald's, you can't get a quarter pounder because it don't fill you up. You get a double quarter pounder, it fills you up too much. But let's give this a try. No, let's go. Watson's like, let me give it a try. All right, let's see how this burger looks. All right, they got the straw thing. Okay, let's see. Comes with fries. Ooh, that meat. Look at that meat. Look at them onions. I wonder if it looks like they already got mayonnaise on there. How many of y'all like mustard? I love mustard with my burger. I'm not sure they have it though. All right. Wow, that is huge. Pressed it down. Watson tried to get my food earlier. I didn't make a dent, but this bun, definitely homemade. This burger, definitely good. Wow. I love it. This burger is really, 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 really good. Sap. What, burger fix? Seriously? Come to Sanook. I'm serious, like, wow. It's amazingly good. Sap. Cái hamburger you mang out here. Oh my God. I'm gonna have to try all their other food too. This is so good. Hey, Watson, you have to wait, okay? And then Daddy will give you chicken. But you have to wait. You can't jump on it. Wow. The bun's amazing. The meat's amazing. The presentation, the food, the taste. It's everything I could ever ask for. I know where I'm getting my burger every time. Every time. Wow. So good. And it's not expensive. For me, it's not. Some people will be. But, wow. Oh, I should have got a Coke with this. Still probably not too late, right? Fresh tomatoes. Oh my God. I don't know how I'm gonna eat my other meal. Now that is a burger. I don't know if you guys noticed, but when I do my vlog, I do it the same day, and I put it up the same day. Try not to hold it, because I want you guys to be up to date. Sometimes I might be a day back, but I try to keep up same exact day, you know what I mean? Up to date and everything. So I hope you guys appreciate that. Because if not, I can hold it back if you want. Just let me know. Oh, dude, this. My God. This burger is so good. I got it all over my face. I know I got it on my sunglasses. Oh, listen. I don't have time to eat fries. The fries are even good. Wow. Crispy. Perfectly salted. I'm not just hungry, trust me. This is delicious. I'm gonna bring my mom here next time because she loves burgers. And I didn't find a place satisfying for her for burgers. I should have got a single patty. And a soda. So my wife just landed in Portland. 10:41 over there. She says, "My love, hi, my love. I just landed. Oh my God, I'm so sleepy. Was dozing off and on. I'm sitting next to this old couple, and they're so cute. It reminds me of us. And they were drinking together too. Definitely us. All right. I'm just happy she made it home safe. Hey, thank you guys for all the wishes and all the comments and stuff, to saying wishing her well to have safe travels and things like that and supporting us. Appreciate y'all. My God, the meat is seasoned so well. I'm just eating the meat alone. Seasoned well. Mmm. Oh my God. Xẹp xẹp. Xẹp lại. Hai nữa. Mà đó mới cái nó mỏi cái xẹp đó. All right, now I know. Single patty next time. Because a double is way too much, but it's, I don't know what they season that meat with, but I can't stop eating it. Mm. Mm. Wow, that is delicious. Wow, never had anything like that here in Laos. Shoot, it might beat the States. It might beat the States burger, to be honest with you. Just the seasoning alone. But คอยว่าลังเทือมันแซ่บกว่าตัวอยู่อเมริกาติเพราะว่าเพิ่นใส่อันนี่เครื่องเอาเฮ็ดให้มันอันseasoning นะบ่ฮู้อย่างว่าโอ้ย no I gotta go learn some Laos so fire I ordered a crate too I'm not even sure I'm gonna be able to get that but I'm gonna get to it though forget about it let's do it Sam. Oh my God, guess what? I just had the best burger ever. Yes, and it is right around the corner from our house. I ordered a double patty too, like a pig. Say hi to everybody. Oh, hold on. Let me take off my glasses. Okay, now you can say it.
Hi, I made it.
All right. You made it to Portland?
Yeah, I'm waiting for mom to pick me up.
Okay. You see Hollywood in there? You see Hollywood?
What?
Come here. Kiss. Kiss. All right. See? I know you don't like here. I'll put it right there. You don't like eating off the ground. If you put it and it falls on the ground, you won't touch it. Crazy clean dog. Ooh, all right, that was delicious. It was 274,000 keep because I got the coffee and a double patty. She forgot to put in my crepe, but that's okay. I think she was mesmerized by Watson. But man, this place is delicious. Delicious. Look, I only had the burger, and that burger was seasoned super good. Cafe Sanuk da, Matsukwanda, Mada. All right, it's Mark Kinsap, Mark Kinsap. Let's go Kinsap together. Bye, 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 bye. You guys want to see Watson one more time? All right, hold up. What's up, big boy? How you doing? Did you enjoy all your treats? Look, he sees a human. He wants to bark at him. You want me to take that gentle leader off your face? Here, let me see. Come here. Say thank you. All right, Mark Kinsap, Mark Kinsap. Watson Kinsap too. All right, Mr. Watson. Let's go. Okay, Matsukonda sa tu.